world. George and Chris are working in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, looking for the strongest partners to work with and the latest products to consider for their clients. Thomas is a Danish native, working in the Vietnamese manufacturing industry and helping IDEOLI better integrate into the local business climate.
We see Vietnam is really in a strong position now with the TPP, Trans-Pacific Partnership, including US, Canada, Japan, Australia, and by that 40% of the world economy, and Vietnam as the country that will be the production base for these countries. 90 million people ready to take on, and that means a young labor force here, and 1 to 2 million young people get on the job market every year. So there is enough labor to do this.
After inspecting several factories in Vietnam, IDEOLI appreciates the attention to detail and advanced manufacturing capabilities these companies have.
The quality of products coming out of here has increased a lot. Over the last 20 years, there has been a strong development in the wood furniture business here. Vietnam has, together with a lot of foreign investment in the furniture industry, developed strongly in new designs and being able to get influence and get new ideas. So it's a very dynamic environment where new things are developed continuously. IDEOLI will benefit by being in Vietnam in this growth environment we have here for the last more than 20 years.
IDEOLI is always looking for new markets, and being in Vietnam is an example of our dedication to doing so.